In today's video, I'm going to teach you replace images in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to swap out product photos in your Shopify admin, keep your gallery tidy, and make sure your changes are saved correctly. First, open your browser and sign in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in, start from the home screen. From the left-hand navigation, head to Products. This is where all of your items live, and where we'll make the change. Open the product you want to update. Inside the product editor, look for the Media section. This gallery shows all the images currently attached to the product. Click the image you want to change to bring up the image controls. Depending on your theme and admin layout, you'll see options to add, replace, or edit media. Choose the option that lets you add or replace the image. Now, upload your new photo from your computer, or pick one that's already in your library. High-quality JPEGs usually work best for product photos because they balance clarity and file size, while PNGs are great for graphics with transparency. Aim for a consistent aspect ratio across your images so your product pages look clean and professional. After selecting the file, confirm the upload. When prompted, click Done to finalize the change. You'll see the new image appear in the gallery. If you need to update more than one photo, repeat the same process. Select the image, choose Add or Replace, upload or pick from your library, and click Done. You can also reorder images by dragging them in the gallery so your primary photo appears first, which helps customers see the most important angle right away. If there are old or duplicate images you no longer need, select them and click Remove. This keeps your product page focused and loads faster for shoppers. Don't worry. Removing an image from a product won't affect other products that use different files. When you're satisfied with the updates, click Save in the top right corner of the product page. Saving is essential. Without it, none of your changes will stick. After you save, the new images will be used wherever that product appears in your store. It may take a brief moment for updates to propagate across your storefront and any sales channels. That's it. You signed in, navigated to products, opened the item you wanted to edit, replaced the image or images, removed any you didn't need, and saved your changes. Keep your visuals consistent and optimized, and your product pages will look sharp and load quickly. Thanks for watching.